Why would they blame you for the Stur Mars situation here?
Cause me first leave.
You were the first one to leave.
Yeah.
What year did you leave Stur Mars?
I don't remember, like about 86.
86 time you left. And which song did you go to at this time here now?
No, I stopped DJ sound. Yeah, we just dub out in Jamaica. And then me and Supercat leave to America.
Got you.
Yeah, cause really me and Cat to America. Like that.
Mm-hmm.
I'm tell Cat was my best friend.
Yeah.
Yeah, so when I go and Cat go live America.
Mm-hmm.
You know, and then Cat career take off even bigger.
But when you guys went to America, what was the plan? Did you guys plan to DJ sounds up there just to go cool out to get to America? What was the whole plan you and Cat went to America for?
Well, we think not even, I don't know Cat thinking. I know my thinking was like, yeah, something that's come since Jamaica is on the smaller scale. Mm-hmm. And them say America the biggest thing, then I feel like something can out there for me if I get to push the right doors. Mm-hmm. You know? So when I go to America now, me and Cat start spar. Cat though. We them want to ram it up. From over Stur Mars son where them pick it up. Yep, no before that him though. I think Cabin Stabbing.
Yes, that was on his label. Wild Apache label. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Cabin Stabbing. Start the label. Yeah, then, well, him though, ram it up. We don't want to ram it up. Mm-hmm. Then now, me though, see him, on Wild Apache label.
You recorded that song on Wild Apache label?
Yeah, no, that song recorded for Wild Apache before it recorded for Steely.
I did that. I did not know.
Yeah, that song recorded on Wild Apache first, you know?
Yeah, because you recorded that song 3 times.
4 times.
It was 4.
Yeah, 4 times.
I know of okay, so then now we're talking about the Wild Apache.
Yeah.
I know of the 93 when you did it on the hip hop.
Yeah.
I know of the 99 when you did it on the Street Sweeper.
Yeah.
When would be the 4th time?
The 4th time is when the people have heard the first time. Mm-hmm. Because the first time I DJ that song, it wasn't on a record, you know. Mm-hmm. It was on a live album.
Okay.
82 Chisholm Avenue, live album. Ace's live album with King Yellowman and Burro and Liquor John, Tyan, Eka Mouse, Little Larry. Mm-hmm. You know, yeah, all of us was on that album. That's the first time I really get to record that song anywhere, but it was on a live album. It didn't come out on a record.
Yeah.
You know?
Okay, so then you have this song here now. You recorded it for Cat, but Cat, his career is taking off in America at the same time.
Yeah, you know, the thing now with me and Cat now, I guess he got to with me and him. Mm-hmm. Yeah, because him say man there's something with the song. Me broke. I don't have no money. My things, they are 0.
Okay.
You get me? I want some money. And I tell him, and he's like, you know, what's he say? I now get the money there, so. I'm going to buck up on a man now. I tell him something, and I said, why we are talking sound right, you know? Mm-hmm. Same can get 10 G for the song. I say, US money?
Yeah.
One say, yeah, man, right now if you want it. Mm-hmm. So he asks me the lyrics, whose? I'm going to say my lyrics. Mm-hmm. The beat, Supercat. Mm-hmm. Well, anyway, I do it right there, so now, a man named Bobby Candas.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.